everybody. So, do you like my hat? Do you like my shirt? It's all brands. So, it seems Parrot is going to release something, and it seems to be, I think it's a drone, a new drone, maybe with a 4K camera, maybe with more memory or a SD card memory. There are many drones on the market. DJI is leading the drones, but very expensive, and maybe the new Parrot drone have foldable arms. Maybe it's smaller, maybe it's bigger, maybe it's the same size. Maybe it's called the Bebop, or maybe not called the Bebop at all. Some people say maybe it's called Bebop 3, maybe not. I am very curious about it. As you may know, on my videos, I'm flying in other drones besides the Bebops, besides the Disco. The Parrot Disco was discontinued to the public, and other quads. There are only the Bebop Power, Bebop 2 Power, the Bebop 2, the Mambo, Parrot Mambo, mini drones, and nothing more besides the business drones. Very expensive too. You can leave on the comments your opinions. What are you expecting from Parrot? Some guy said, it's another mini drone. It's another... I don't think so. I don't think this time is not a mini drone, because Bebop is old. The camera is, as I say many times, very limited. I think it's time to bring another Parrot drone with a better camera quality. It's more than time. Many people said to me, why are you still flying Bebops? DJI are better, and blah blah blah, that kind of stuff. I hate that shit. Parrot is one thing, DJI is another. Why? DJI is better. Parrot is crap. Why? I don't give a shit about it. I like to fly Parrot, I like to fly DJI. It's different things. There's no comparison. Why? Both of the brands give problems. Every drone have their qualities and the problems and whatever. Why? There's no reason for that. By the way, I like to fly all of them. Even smaller drones, like mini drones and bigger drones, they're all flying around. And most of them are filming with better cameras, with worse cameras. I don't care. This is like the war between Android and iOS. Apple is better, iOS is better, Android is shit, and whatsoever. No, Android is better, iOS is shit. What the fuck? I just want to fly and have fun. But there's one thing I want in a drone. Long flight time, good camera quality, fly a big distance without problems, maybe sensors on it, small, stealthy, not to disturb people and animals and that stuff. What the hell can I say more? So leave on your comments what we are expecting from Parrot and from another brands. people talking about Phantom 5, Evolve 3, Mavic 2 Pro, blah 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 blah. They want to spend money on things they maybe don't use it. And remember, you must, if you have a very nice expensive camera, very nice expensive drone, but if there are no creativity and all that stuff, it's useless. So let's prepare for what will come in this year, on the summer of 2018. Drone explosion. I could have done this in a live video, but I don't have the patience because sometimes I don't know what to say, and here you can cut the parts and put all them together, all the best parts and not the worst parts when I am thinking and not talking at all. So go flight, whatever you have, and have fun. By the way, I must go to fly now, so leave on the comments what you think about all I said. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel, and if you want to give some money for me to buy stuff, you're free to do it. Begging. Bye.